Okay, everybody, welcome back to another video in the cPanel series. Today, we're going to be talking about domains. When you create your hosting account with your hosting provider, you are going to be given you're going to need a domain, obviously. In our case, it's techlive.cf. But you can have more than one domain on an account in most cases. And you can have different parts of your domain divided on subdomains, etc., etc. We're going to be covering a good bulk of these things that are in the domains section here right now. So, whoops, no, that's databases. Sorry, guys. Domains is the next one down. So, let's talk about what's in here firstly. So, I'm going to zoom in so we get a better view on it. And so I do. Okay. Obviously, you've got the site publisher in the event you can't find it up here in the feature showcase for whatever weird reason. I'm going to X that out. And also, add-on domains basically means this is sirihosting.cf, but what else? What other domain can I host? If I had, say, or not sirihosting.cf, if I had techlive.com, I could add this in. Or if I wanted to host another website that has absolutely nothing to do with TechLive, I can host it in this one username, web host permitting. Subdomains. We're actually going to talk about this here in a second in a little more detail because it's something I use a lot. Aliases. So let's say something along the lines of techlive.com equals techlive.cf. So no matter which one the user types into their browser, boom, they go to the same place. Redirects. So like let's say a user hits techlive.cf/community, we can redirect them to say community.techlive.cf. That is basically what these things do. And let's do a quick little talk about subdomains. If you've ever seen something like this, solutions.hostmysite.com, you have seen a subdomain. So zoom in, let's break this down. Hostmysite.com is the domain. Solutions. Is the subdomain, or in Windows Active Directory terms, the child domain of the hostmysite.com domain. And yes, that's an actual website, guys. All right, cool. So now that we understand the basics of what a subdomain is and how they're formatted, we can use this to our advantage to do like things what I do on my websites. I usually have an email domain. So let's go email.techlive.cf. Click down here, then leave it the hell alone, and hit create. Give it a minute, maybe. There we go. Cool. Awesome. It's there. And then, you know what? Let's also do this. Let's make another one called community. Awesome. And then once again, we're going to leave it the hell alone on the document root. And then we're going to go like such. Okay, cool. We've got us a couple of subdomains to play with. Awesome. Aren't subdomains awesome? So we're going to go back. Now, the cool thing here, now that we got these subdomains, guys, is now, like, let's say that I want to put all of our TechLive staffers with an email account on the email subdomain, so it makes it a little hard for the spammers to get to them. That is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's add an email account. Let's say Carly.f. And now you can see this opens up and we can choose under where we want to stick that. So let's say email.techlive.cf. Give me a password. ta-da! And then we just go in and create my account. And now my full email address, if this were an actual live website, is carly.f@email.techlive.cf. So there we go. That is the power of a subdomain. We're actually going to use that once again, to our advantage in an upcoming video. So there we go. That's the basics on what these different things in the domains area do. For more information about them, you can click on any one of them. There's a little blurb, and this is true of all cPanel functions. There's a little blurb up at the top that tells you what it does. So there we go. In the next one, we're going to be talking about file management.